Hi sir, ako nga po pala si Risa Jenna May Amadis Riego from 11 Valnat at gumawa po ako ng isang oral recitation na galing sa ating mga pinag-aralan mula sa lesson 1 to 3. Meron po ako ditong illustration or para lang po maipaliwanag ko na mas maayos ang aking mga napag-aralan. So, ito po, we have 4 types of spheres on Earth. And what we call the geosphere, the biosphere, and the hydrosphere, and the atmosphere. Geosphere is the solid rocky parts of the planet, which is the crust, mantle, and the core. Actually, we have 2 types of crust. We have continental crust and the oceanic crust. And also, we have 3 types of sphere in the mantle. We have mesosphere, at asthenosphere, and the lithosphere. The mesosphere means mesosphere, or meso means middle, and astheno means weak, and lithosphere means rock. So, yun po, ang mesosphere is yung tinatawag na middle o nasa gitna po siya ng mantle. So, yun po yung rocky part po na mesosphere. Then, asthenosphere po, siya po yung tinatawag na weak or mahina or malambot na part ng lupa. At ang lithosphere naman po, yun naman po yung part ng lupa na matigas at mga solid na lupa. So, yun po. Next, we have a biosphere. Dito po sa biosphere, dito po yung mga nabubuhay, which is the animals, yung mga ecosystem, animals, plants, at any microorganism. Then, dito naman po sa hydrosphere, ito naman po kabilang yung mga ocean, river, and lakes. No? Then, proceed naman po tayo sa atmosphere. We have the layers of the atmosphere. Let's start from the near the Earth is the troposphere. This is the 0 to 10 miles away from the Earth. Dito po yung may mga napapalipad po ng mga hot air balloons.